Alright, car shoppers, welcome back to Lexus of Wilmington. Just to enter inventory, there's 2017 Lexus RX350. This one is white. It's got brown leather interior, power bucket seat, front heated and cooled seat, CD, satellite radio, navigation, rear view camera, leather steering, 14,000 miles. There's your sunroof. It's got Lexus wheels, nice size back seat. It is Lexus certified. Power rear door. Plenty of room back here in the trunk area. It's right here at Lexus of Wilmington. Looking for more information on this 17 RX or any of the other almost 100 vehicles in our pre-owned inventory? Our 90,000 square foot pre-owned showroom. That's right. When you come here to Lexus of Wilmington, you do your car shopping indoors to avoid the elements of the weather. Stay warm, stay cool, stay dry when you car shop inside at Lexus of Wilmington. Go to LexusofWilmington.com for more information.